bugging me. Hiccup high, hiccup low, why won't these hiccups go, go, go? I tried to wiggle, spin and hop, but these silly hiccups just won't stop. I held my breath, I crossed my toes, I balanced treats upon my nose. I whispered softly, please go away. Hip, hip. Well, that didn't work today.